That our students, they passed HSLC exam very successfully, and we today felicitated them. We provided them opportunity to come, and we congratulated them, and they thanked the teachers. We are very happy for the good result.
So total number of students, how many of them?
Total 93 had appeared, and then 25 of them secured distinction, 34 star marks. Then we had got first division, and 6 of them second division.
And then the three toppers, what was their names?
Their name, we had the topper Vilash Mayan, who secured 95.3%. Then we had Harjit Das, second topper in our school. Then we had third Yukta Bhardwaj. We have a very good faculty members, very good teachers, those who work hard, as well as right from the childhood, right from the class 1, we are preparing students for the better result. So they are studying here for 10 years, 13 years, working hard. We are guiding them, we are giving them coaching, and then parents also are contributing. So together, parents, teachers and students, all three pillars working together, and we are getting good results.
So how do you feel today? Are you the topper among this number of students? How do you feel? What kind of message do you give to your principal?
So I am actually very grateful to our principal for bringing us up here where we are today. So I am very thankful, and no matter how much thanks we give to him, it's never enough.
So what you expectation? How long you studied for a day for the second distinction?
So actually, after our school stopped, after we stopped coming to school, I used to study like in the morning till I have my lunch, and all you have to do is study before the exam. So, but actually, the hours doesn't matter how much hours you study. The actual matter is like how much focus you are giving on it.
Any message for your junior staff or students?
Yeah, I wish them all the luck to succeed in their life, and I hope that we must have given them some expectations, some inspiration. So thank you.
So, important students for you, the focus. So, what kind of message you want to give to their some people and the students?
To study regularly and revise regularly, you can succeed.
So, what was your expectation actually?
So my expectation was this only, like 95, close to this percentage. I got the expected mark.
After declaration, what kind of feelings you feel after declaration?
So I was satisfied.
So, what kind of message you want for the youth staff?
They are nice, helpful, and they supported me for exam.
So, how do you feel today? You are the topper. Number of students, you are the topper. So, what kind of message you want to give to your teachers?
To my teachers, I am willing to thank them for all the things they have done for me and the help they have given me throughout the journey from class 2 to 10. I'm going to say thank you to them.
The second study also, how many hours in a day you study?
To get quite a better results, we must put in the hours. I think it quite depends on the people how much they can study and how much they can focus based on the time that they study for.